See, the problem here is solve by variation of parameters d square over dx square minus 2 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to e raised to x into tan x. A very important problem in the variation of parameters. Now, first we write a d form. So, d square minus 2d plus 2 into y equals e raised to x into tan x. So, next we need to find the CF. So, we find the roots here. We write auxiliary equation m square plus 2m into plus 2 is equal to 0. So, let us make use of the calculator here. We have then we go to the equation mode, then we have polynomial. Okay, 1 equals minus 2 equals 2 is equal to 1 plus or minus I. We have m is equal to 1 plus or minus I here. Therefore, the complementary factor will be c1 cos of x plus c2 sin of x whole into e raised to this real 1x. So, let us open a bracket. So, we have CF is equal to c1 e raised to x into cos x plus c2 e raised to x into sin x. Now, we discussed the method of variation parameters in earlier problems also. The solution is given as y is equal to ay1 plus by2. We don't find any pi and all here. So, we find the solution as totally ay1 plus by2. Okay, the solution totally depends upon the complementary factors. So, here y1 is e raised to x cos x and y2 is e raised to x sin x. Okay. Now, you find a very important factor called as Wronskian, that is W. W is equal to determinant y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash. So, we will find here now. So, we have W is equal to, what is y1? It's e raised to x into cos x into y2 dash. Differentiation of e raised to x sin x will be e raised to x into cos x product rule plus sin x into e raised to x. Then minus we have y2 into y1 dash. What is y2? E raised to x into sin x into again differentiation of this e raised to x cos x will be e raised to x into derivative of cos x minus sin x product rule plus cos x into e raised to x, and that will be w is equal to e raised to x e raised to x and e raised to x is e raised to x into cos square x plus e raised to 2x into sin x cos x minus, again see minus into minus is plus e raised to 2x sin square x minus e raised to 2x sin x into cos x. Okay, I hope you got it till here. So, now here this term cancels. So, w is equal to e raised to 2x. Why? Because e raised to 2x into bracket cos square plus sin square is 1. Therefore, w is equal to e raised to 2x. So, please do underline the w. Now, the formula, see, we need to find a and b to get a solution. To find a and b, we need w. So, the formula for a is always minus integration of phi of x into y2 whole divided by w dx. Okay. So, let us put it here, minus, what is phi of x? The right hand side, e raised to x into tan x into, what's y2 here? y2 is e raised to x into sin x over w is e raised to 2x. Now, see, e raised to x into e raised to x is e raised to 2x, because e raised to a into e raised to b is e raised to a plus b, and this whole cancels. So, what remains? A is equal to minus tan x into sin x dx. So, how do we integrate this? So, whenever there is tan x, we write this as sin x by cos x into cos x dx, into sin x dx. Now, as you know, sin x into sin x is what? It's sin square x. So, we have here minus integration of sin square x upon cos x dx, and that can be written as, see, what is sin square x? Our main aim in solving the integration problem is to separate so that I can get standard forms of integration. So, sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos square x by cos x, right? Now, we can separate. So, it implies a equals minus 1 by cos x. See, when I separate it, I do it directly 1 by cos x. See, minus into 1 by cos. What is 1 by cos? Secant. So, secant x dx minus into minus plus open bracket cos square by cos is cos x dx plus I will take k1 constant of integration. Now a well-known integration of secant x is always log secant x plus tan x. What's that? Integration of secant x is log secant x plus tan x. So we have minus log secant x plus tan x, and integration of cos x is, as you know, very simple integration, sin x plus k1. So we have found A. Again, do please underline it. Okay. Next, after finding A, we will find B. B will be, I think, simple. So integration of phi of x into y1 by w dx. So B will be equal to, what is phi of x again? E raised to x tan x, e raised to x into tan x into into y1. What's y1 here? It's e raised to x into cos x. E raised to x into cos x dx whole divided by e raised to 2x. Now again same process, e raised to x, this cancels. We have b is equal to, again we write, when we have tan x term, we write it as sin x by cos x into cos x, and this will be very easy integration because cos cancel, and integration sin x is nothing but minus cos x plus k2. So we have both the values of a and b here. Now do nothing, simply the solution is, that implies solution is y is equal to a y1 plus b by 2. So what is a? Bracket minus log of secant x plus tan x plus sin x plus k1 into a y1. What's y1? E raised to x cos x, e raised to x cos x plus b into y2. What's b? Minus cos x plus k2 into, what's y2? E raised to x sin x. That's the solution. That's all. Please underline all the solutions. Okay, I hope you clearly understood this. That's the solution. Done.